Students, now we want to discuss the problems of exercise 6.2 of NCERT. First, we want to discuss the problems of NCERT in which the polynomial involves. Now, we take problem number 6 of NCERT and problem number 1 of study material. What is in problem number 6 in sub problem number B? 10 minus 6x minus 2x square. Another problem is x plus 1 to the power whole cube minus x minus 3 to the power whole cube, in which we want to find the function where it is strictly increasing or decreasing. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, इस सवाल में तो केवल स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग ही मांग रहा है, लेकिन मैं कोशिश किया हूँ लिखने का कि फंक्शन कहाँ इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग भी होगा ताकि आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो। तो पहला सवाल हम आपको समझाना चाहता हूँ स्टेप्स। हियर इट इज गिवन एफ एक्स इक्वल टू 10 माइनस 6x minus 2x square. So to get interval, first we differentiate the function. So f dash x is equal to minus 6, the differentiation of 10 is 0, and differentiation of 2x square is minus 4x. To get interval, we put f dash x is equal to 0. Where the function is strictly increasing or decreasing, to know this, we put f dash x is equal to 0. So we get the value of x is equal to minus 3 by 2, which belongs to R. Now we divide the number line in two parts. One is minus infinity to minus 3 by 2, and other is minus 3 by 2 to infinity. My dear student, in this place I want to here you give some advice. You must follow this rule. It will be beneficial for you when you will solve the problems of trigonometrical functions. So you must follow the rule. You first write the subinterval. Subinterval is minus infinity minus 3 by 2. And make this type of suppose table. This type of. Under the heading subinterval, test point, test value, sign of f dash x, and conclusion. So my dear student, in between minus infinity to minus 3 by 2, we take minus 2. And what will be the value of f dash minus 2? So the value of f dash minus 2 is 6 minus 4 into minus 2. And the value of f dash minus 2 is 2. So sign of f dash x is positive. So function is increasing in the interval minus infinity to minus 3 by 2. Keep in your mind, we take any point in interval minus infinity to minus 3 by 2 and test its value. If the value is positive, then function is increasing. If the value is negative, then function is decreasing. If we put 0, test point is 0, minus 3 by 2 से infinity के बीच एक point लिया 0. The value of f dash 0 is minus 6, negative. So f dash x less than 0 in the interval minus 3 by 2 to infinity. So function is increasing in the interval minus infinity to minus 3 by 2 and decreasing in the interval minus 3 by 2 to infinity. My dear student, how will you express? This is a very, very important point. F is strictly increasing on minus infinity to minus 3 by 2. We will not put here close interval. F is strictly decreasing on minus 3 by 2 to infinity. But when question will be asked, determine the interval in which the function is increasing, then we will write closed interval. माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू माइनस 3/2 क्लोज इंटरवल. Decreasing to minus 3/2 to infinity. Here we will put the interval of close interval, close open, because infinity does not exist. So in this way, my dear student, you will not get confused. You must here keep in your mind this logic, this condition, the definition of the increasing and decreasing function, the definition of strictly increasing and decreasing function. In this way, you will solve the problem. Now I want to here discuss the sub-problem number E. Fx is equal to x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole cube. So given function is x plus 1 whole cube minus x minus 3 whole cube on R. So f dash x is, here we will differentiate it by using u into v method. So x plus 1 whole cube into 3 x minus 2 whole square plus x minus 3 whole cube 3 into x plus 1 whole square. Now taking 3x plus 1 whole square common, we have x plus 1 into x minus 3. 3x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 plus x minus 3. Now 3x plus 1, x minus 3 whole square, 2x minus 2. So factors are 6 into x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square into x minus 1. So now we want to find the intervals where the function is increasing or decreasing. So we put the value of f dash is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1. Put x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So in this way, we take the intervals where the value of the function is 0. Now put x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. So we take the number line by here writing minus 1, 1 and 3. Minus 1, 1 and 3, my dear student. In this way, this number line we divided in how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 subintervals. Now we want to check the nature of the function in interval minus infinity to minus 1. We take minus 2. The value between minus infinity to minus 1, we take minus 2. And we put the value of f dash, put the value of x is equal to minus 2 in the value of f dash x, in the value of f dash x. F dash x is here 6 into x plus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square into x minus 1. By putting the value of x is equal to minus here 2, we have f dash minus 2 is equal to minus 450 and it is negative. So f dash x less than 0 in this interval. F dash x less than 0 in the interval minus infinity to minus 1. So my dear student, now I want to check the nature of the function in the interval minus 1 to 1. We take the value 0. So here f dash 0 is minus 54. So minus infinity. So f dash x less than 0. Now 1, 3. We put the value 2. F dash 2 is equal to 54. So f dash x greater than 0. Put the value of between 3 to infinity 4 and f dash 4 is equal to 450. That is positive. F dash x greater than 0. My dear student, in this place I want to discuss you very important points. If the factors will be linear, then the value of function will alternately change. यदि किसी इंटरवल में नेगेटिव आया तो किसी में पॉजिटिव, किसी में नेगेटिव. लेकिन यहाँ क्या देख रहे हो? यहाँ ऐसी बात नहीं है. x प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर, x माइनस 3 होल स्क्वायर, x प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर और फिर x प्लस 3 होल स्क्वायर. इसीलिए -1 2 से 1 के बीच में क्या देख रहे हो? यहाँ पर एफ डैश एक्स लेस देन 0, माइनस इन्फिनिटी माइनस 1 के बीच में लेस देन 0, और यहाँ पर 1 से 3 के बीच में ग्रेटर देन 0, ग्रेटर देन 0, तो फंक्शन अल्टरनेटली चेंज नहीं हुआ। इस तरह हम लोग फंक्शन का वैल्यू 1 से 3 और 3 से इन्फिनिटी के बीच में पॉजिटिव, और फंक्शन का वैल्यू माइनस इन्फिनिटी से -1 और -1 से 1 के बीच में नेगेटिव आया। तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे f इज स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग ऑन ओपन इंटरवल 1 3 यूनियन ओपन इंटरवल 3 इन्फिनिटी। इसमें f dash x is strictly increasing and f is strictly decreasing on माइनस इन्फिनिटी से -1 यूनियन ओपन इंटरवल -1 टू स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग, स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग। जहाँ स्ट्रिक्टली रहेगा वहाँ ओपन इंटरवल, जहाँ केवल इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग रहेगा तो क्लोज इंटरवल। इस बात का ध्यान देना है। -1 to 1 एफ इज इंक्रीजिंग ऑन, इंक्रीजिंग यदि पूछेगा तो क्लोज इंटरवल देंगे, स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग पूछेगा तो ओपन इंटरवल देंगे। 3 से इन्फिनिटी, यदि स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग पूछेगा तो ओपन इंटरवल 3 इन्फिनिटी, यदि क्वेश्चन में पूछेगा इंक्रीजिंग तो क्लोज इंटरवल 3 एंड ओपन इंटरवल एट इन्फिनिटी। सो you should keep in your mind this point. f is decreasing, तो डिक्रीजिंग में हम लोग क्या देंगे? क्लोज इंटरवल। माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू -1 ओपन इंटरवल, बट हियर विल बी माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू -1 क्लोज इंटरवल। -1 to 1 ओपन इंटरवल, but here we will write -1 to 1 close interval. So it will be minus infinity comma to 1 close interval. The value of this symbol we will get. My dear students, in this way we will solve the problem number E of sub problem number E of problem number 6 of the book of NCERT. I hope you have followed me, you have understood these steps. Thank you very much.